Use the sort function to logically organize data. Select your data. Find the sort buttons. You can sort from lowest to highest or highest to lowest. If you are sorting text, you can sort in ascending or descending alphanumeric order. If you are running into errors when you try to sort, the most likely culprit is formatting problems with the data. Sorting with multiple criteria. Select your data. Click the Sort button. Create your first rule. Click the Add Level button to add a rule underneath the first one. Click OK. Sorting with multiple criteria. Select your data. Click the Sort button. Select cell or font color in the Sort On menu. Select which color you want to sort first. Add another color. Make sure that each order is the same for each rule. Click OK.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.